In this video, I am going to show you how to connect Ubiquiti Access Point to a router. So first of all, you would like to connect the router to the PoE injector. Take an Ethernet cable and connect the router LAN port or LAN port to the LAN port or LAN port on the PoE basically injector. So if you're using a PoE switch, connects the router directly to the switch instead. Then you'd like to connect an access point. Take a second Ethernet cable and connect the PoE ports on the injector and to the Ethernet ports on the Ubiquiti access points. The same cable provides both power and network. Then you'd like to power on the injector. If it's not powered on yet, just plug the PoE injector into a power outlet as an example and wait about 1 to 2 minutes, and the LED as an example on the access point should start lighting up. A flashing white LED or LED usually means the access point is starting up, so you'll have to wait a bit. Then you'll have to set up the access points on your phone or computer. You'll have to open the Unified Network app and or basically open the Unified Network server. Then find the new access point, select adopt, and follow this setup instructions on your screen to add your device. Once you're done with that, during the setup, you'll have to enter a Wi-Fi name or SSID, create a Wi-Fi password, save the settings, and once provisioning finishes, the access point or your access point will begin broadcasting the new Wi-Fi network with no issues. So just in case your access point doesn't turn on, just make sure that you're using the PoE ports on the injector and verify the injector has power and check that the internet cable supports PoE. And yeah, that's basically how you connect a Ubiquiti access point to a router. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.